So what data is in these large language models? So now the interesting thing, which isn't mentioned too often, is that you probably hear expressions in the press and so on, and people talk about, oh, well, it's everything from the internet. Well, it's not. And actually, they use a variety of different sources, and obviously each one of these language models uses different data sets. However, they all have one thing in common, which is the fact that they use data from what we regard as search indexes. So they all, for all those who actually declare, and the open source projects obviously declare what data they're using, whereas the more closed projects are somewhat opaque or more opaque depending on who they are. But they all have, those who declare it all use common crawl. Now, common crawl is basically a web crawl, which is available as a data dump to anybody. It's a big file, obviously. It consists of data from about 3 billion web pages. And that's the main data source in all of these large language models. So GPT-3 uses common crawl. If we take the Google model like Chinchilla or the DeepMind, some of the other models, they don't actually declare what they use, and they just refer, we're using web text. We don't know, but I would lay a big bet that Google and Microsoft are using their search indexes, but they don't want to say so.